Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are up bright and early this morning. I wanted to share with you guys my winter arc 5 a.m. morning routine. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this is definitely not my everyday, especially since starting Vlogmas. My nights have been a lot later, which means my mornings have also been a lot later. And even though last night I did go to sleep fairly late again, waking up this morning was a breeze because we have the most exciting day today. I literally cannot contain my excitement. Like I mentioned yesterday, we are leaving town today at about 9:30 to go to Vancouver for the Taylor Swift Eras tour. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you my 5 to 9 before a typical 9 to 5. Obviously, besides vlogging and editing during our travels, I don't have a work day today. It's Saturday, but I do hope that this 5 to 9 just gives you a little bit of inspiration on how to kickstart your days during the week. As you already saw, I've done a lot of my favorite little healthy habits in the morning to help kickstart my day. We've gotten off on the right foot. Now it's time to get in our daily movement. I was feeling pretty exhausted yesterday and didn't make it to the gym, but today I am feeling energized and ready, so let's get into it. So excited for this. I literally fall asleep thinking about this smoothie. I love it so much. I've shared it on all of my socials so many times. I am obsessed. I know I say that about a lot of things, but with this, I am seriously obsessed. So good. Well, anyway, just like that, it is time to wrap up this morning routine. That was just a little glimpse into my 5 to 9. Since today is such a busy day and I am very much out of routine for the remainder of this weekend, I thought that I would just bring you guys along with me for this little 5 to 9 before a typical 9 to 5. I very briefly have to do a little bit of computer work and then it's time to shower, do my skincare, and get ready for the day because we leave in less than an hour. Usually I do my workout, come home, stretch, and then have a shower immediately, but I wanted to have my smoothie while I was getting ready. But yeah, I really hope that that gave you a little bit of inspiration, a little bit of a glimpse, and a better idea of what my 5 a.m. mornings look like. I honestly couldn't believe how busy the gym was this morning. Oh my gosh. That early on a Saturday morning, I was expecting the gym to be dead, but I guess people wanted to put their work in. They had the same idea as me, get the work done, and then enjoy the weekend. But yeah, that wraps up another day, another vlog, another vlogmas video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, do all of the things, and make sure that you stick around because my next vlog is the Eras Tour concert vlog. I appreciate the heck out of you for being here, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Time to go.